Oh my, it just got dark out of nowhere. Right now there's right now a pretty I don't know what the storm has into for tail right now, but right now tonight we're gonna give you a weather update depending on what time this comes out. We're gonna get an update on the bigs. Right now we're under a wind advisory and a fire weather watch. You don't want to miss out on this. Some strong winds have been going through today, but right now it has rained. We're under a special weather statement. Oh shoot! As a strong gust just passed through, it's continuing. You can see there's a ton of leaves. This is ahead of this pretty large area showers and storms that are right now to the south of us. Right now, this is not very dangerous, but this has the wind threat. Look at these winds. So right now, so we'll see the sun is peeking out again, which is absolutely amazing. Oh. As we have a pretty small wind threat, maybe a cold air funnel possibly from these storms. There's right now surrounding us. There's some major storm. There's some clouds. So if we're taking a look at this, it looks like it's gonna head just to the south of us. Maybe just to the south. Maybe just clipping us with some light rain. We had a downburst move through earlier actually. It wasn't very strong though. It only produced winds of up to 50. These winds are gusting right now.
Let's go. We're sprinting the whole course.
Ahead of this there's a high pressure to the west of here, bringing all these cold winds that are right now coming out from the southwest. Along with these is some instability showers that have been going through. One of them some of these actual thunderstorms. I heard thunder earlier, and could be a very interesting day. This morning there was a small shelf actually with one of the storms that brought our first snow of the year, of the fall. That was absolutely amazing. As of right now, some winds are still gusting. Not as much as before, and another gust is moving in.
Come on, boy!
This is a big. Man, this is this storm.
My bad.
You wanna do this? I'll do this to you! You got it! Don't do that ever again! Yeah! Yeah! As you can see though, we're gonna give you an upper level view. We might give you an upper level view. 1 minute. Oh. As you can see, maybe that isn't a good view. 1 minute. Here's some strong wind. What? What was that? Some very strong winds are going through. We're gonna try to give you a good view. As you can see, some very dark clouds. There's some very dark clouds right down to the south. These storms are right now still might clip us. Yeah, it's headed to the northwest. Along this low, there's a high to the east, low to the west. And the low to the west is what's fueling these storms. Oh, that tree's unstable. Oh, he's got hit by a leaf. Oh my.
Stay loose.
Oh my god, so many. Woo!
We have to headbutt during a race. So I recommend using it. Practice your kickball.
Strong winds. Man. We're gonna give it a couple minutes. You can see. Look at that. Look at that! Woo! Look at this. This is absolutely.
That was really
As you can see, right there, that branch that's in the middle of the stream.
Is the weather gonna hold up during the meet?
Right now, maybe. Winds are gonna be gusting from the southwest along the shower. Pretty strong winds. Tomorrow they're saying gusts of up to 50 miles per hour.
Hey, thank you.
That's why we're under a fire weather watch. And for many areas across Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, Iowa, Wisconsin. That is why there's some strong wind gusts going to be moving through. As another low pressure system is going to be riding around a jet stream. That's going to be bringing some strong winds along with it. Very tightly wrapped system. What jump? Why do you need to practice your jump?
We can get loose.
Get to do that on the ground?
Yeah, but
See? And you can just jump very well. But how do you feel about the insane weather?
let's go. Listen to
The insane weather is insane,
Yeah.
bro. Are you gonna still race?
We're still racing.
Alright, Pia, are you gonna do a weather report while
Take a look at that. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get hit. We're gonna check radar. I don't think we're gonna get hit. So, bye.